everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Oleg and today I want to give you an update for Mill Street project. So this project we have here, we've been working on for the past 2 weeks, and I apologize to everybody who follows me. There was not any updates last week due to the fires. There was nothing to really update because it was just unbearable to work here in Roseburg, so all that smoke was getting in the way. But today we will give you an update of what has happened here at Mill Street. And on Mill Street, what we did is we installed the kitchen cabinets. The kitchen cabinets are unfinished, and there's a reason behind it. Why I picked unfinished cabinets is because I want to give it the old rusty look here in this home, because the home is very old and I didn't want the white cabinets to pop out. Even though we have modernized the house a bit with them, you know, square lights right there in the kitchen, 6 of them, and the dining room, but that doesn't mean that I want to continue doing the whole entire look to be modern, because we still have old trims on all the windows that we have kept. So with these cabinets, what I've been working on is I've been sampling a stain. So let me know what you guys think. This is like a grayish stain, but it still keeps the wood look because it doesn't stain the wood completely. It just gives it like a gray shade, and then we're gonna put some semi-gloss on it. But if you guys have a different opinion on what kind of stain we should use for these cabinets, let me know and we could sample it, because I do have another cabinet that we could just sample it on. So thank you guys, let me know. There's a fun fact on installing kitchen cabinets. I didn't do a video on how to install kitchen cabinets, but what I want to show you is, if you see that corner over there and that corner over here, we have 90-degree angles, but we did not use any Lazy Susans. And the reason we didn't use a Lazy Susan is because it back says 36 inches, and where that window is going to be, the window and the sink will not line up, so it will look kind of funky if we have done that. So what I did is I butted those two together and put a filler in there in between two of them to get that corner in the cabinets to open and close. But the interesting thing, what I did here is, instead of using the Lazy Susan, we faced the cabinet. It's a 24-inch cabinet, so it's aligned exactly with the other cabinet sizes. But all we did is we faced it out towards the dining room, and that way it gives a cabinet out here, and instead of, you know, the Lazy Susan right by the dishwasher. So the dishwasher goes here, and so do all, you know, the cabinets face out. So I think it was a pretty good idea to do that. It works great. So, you know, if you're working on a project and you don't want to use a Lazy Susan, first off, it's a lot cheaper to not use a Lazy Susan, and second off, you know, it gives you cabinets on the dining room side, so it works pretty great. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment on my channel. Thank you everybody for watching.